Are you stuck in a job that is no longer serving you? Maybe you don't know how to walk away or how to move forward. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 things that you can do to completely transform your life. Hi, I'm Tafi, giving you hints and tips to help you make that next step towards your goal, towards your dream. Have you ever felt so stuck in a job where you are no longer appreciated, where you are no longer valued, where your progress is limited, where you are always tired, you are always frustrated, and where most likely you are compromising your time, your family's time for the job that is giving you headaches, that is giving you migraines, that is keeping you stressed. Here I'm going to give you 3 steps that will help you break away, break free, and move into abundance. The first step to transforming your life from the job that you are in today is making a decision. Making that decision that enough is enough. Many of us are tolerating things we shouldn't be tolerating. Tolerating abuse, tolerating bosses that don't appreciate us, tolerating even wages that are not even meeting the basic needs, our bills, they are not even meeting those. And yet we are tolerating those things. How painful do things have to be before we are going to make that decision? The first step to transforming our lives is making that decision that we are going to transform our lives, that enough is enough, that this can't carry on, things can't carry on the way they are. That is the first step. The second step is deciding what it is that we would love. What life would we love? What career, what next step would we love? We ask this question in 4 areas: in our health and well-being, in our relationships, in our time and money freedom, and in our career. What would you love? Not what do you think you can do, but what would you really love? Because what you really would love will keep you motivated, even in the difficult times. And what would you really love will excite you, will keep that momentum going, even when things don't seem right. The third step is doing what you can with the job that you already have. Using the job that you are already in, the career that you are already in, as a stepping stone to your dream, to your vision, to your next step. What skills can you use? What experience can you use from where you are now, from the things you are doing now, as a stepping stone? It could be the money that you're earning. You could put a little aside to move you into your next step. What things can you do right now with what you have right now to take you into the next step? If you have learned anything at all, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel so whenever I release these videos every week, you are informed. I will leave you with a question. What is it that is keeping you so stuck in that job, in that career? What is it that you can't seem to shake away or move away from? Share in the comment section so we can help each other. And I'll see you in the next video.